Before I met Dr. Rutherford and we had the hip surgery done, I didn't have much hope in my life as far as being able to do the things that I used to. The Christmas tree business is a very manual labor intensive business. So it's a lot of walking, and we live in an area that's around 4,000 feet in elevation, and you have to have hills because the Christmas trees don't grow on flat ground well. So everything has to be walking up and down hills. So I got to the point where I couldn't do it anymore. I've always been very active in my life. I used to do a lot of road work, running up in the mountains. And as I got closer to 60, I just started noticing that I was having a lot more stiffness and soreness after exercising. And then finally it got to be somewhat unbearable, and I went to go see the doctor and found out that I needed to have hip replacement, not only in one side, but both sides. They both wore out at the same time. After each hip surgery, I was on the golf course within 2.5 weeks playing golf. And I never took any pain medication after the surgery other than Tylenol. After I had the surgery done, he called me regularly to say, how are you doing? You want a doctor to feel like your life matters, and I really felt that way with Dr. Rutherford. He cared for me, not only medically but personally, and so that puts a patient's mind at ease to know that someone cares. Seeing Dr. Rutherford and getting my hips replaced, it really gave me a lot of optimism back in my life, and now I can do anything that I want to, and everything that I used to. I'm happy where I am and happy to be under Dr. Rutherford's care.